MP Anita and Anand, we're so happy to have you on here today to help share with viewers the great work you've been doing in supporting the COVID response. Can you please tell us what's been going on?
Thank you so much for having me on. As you know, I'm not only Oakville's Member of Parliament, but I also serve as Canada's Minister of Public Services and Procurement. And in that role, I'm responsible for leading the department that purchases the personal protective equipment and other items for Canada's frontline healthcare workers. And the way the system works is that Public Health Canada is consolidating the requests from the provinces, and then we are given those requests, upon which time we then go out and purchase or procure the items on behalf of the provinces. And so it is a large job. We have been um, using all the tools at our disposal to procure supplies in large numbers. Last week, I was able to announce that we did procure 11 million N95 masks, for example. We have set up a website, buyandsell.gc.ca, and we have heard from 11,000 Canadians and international suppliers with their offers to assist us in the effort to gather supplies to keep Canadians safe. In addition, as you know, our government has been in touch with industry who have agreed to begin a retooling process to assist us with the manufacturing of items right here in Canada. So, ventilators, for example, is a perfect example of what we would be hoping industry will turn their minds to. So, it's a multi pronged approach across governments that aim to keep Canadians healthy and safe during this crisis.
And if you heard from businesses right here in Halton that are offering to help?
Without doubt. I have heard directly from them through my MP office, through my email, and through the Buy and Sell website. Many suppliers coming forward with vast array of ideas, including personal protective equipment, but also a pop-up hospital idea, which is a wonderful initiative right here in Oakville.
Now, with all of that being said, is there currently a concern for a shortage of these supplies?
There is always a concern that we must be able to meet demand. And that is why my approach and the approach of my ministry has been one to strive to be over prepared. And so we are anticipating the increase in future demand of many items and are procuring on that basis.
So that website is still open if there's others watching who haven't applied to assist?
Most definitely. That is buyandsell.gc.ca, and my department is working very hard to make sure we triage these offers of assistance. And if I could say, any businesses that go on to that website, give us all the information you possibly can, and also tell us what you are producing now and what you are able to produce in the future, so that we can zone in on what supplies we need in the short and long term and who can provide it.
Thank you for that. And things keep changing by the day, if not by the hour. Is there a message that you have for viewers at this time?
Well, Jessica, what I would like to say is thank you to our viewers for being so committed to making sure our community stays safe. And that means making sure that we social distance, making sure that we stay home, making sure that we wash our hands regularly. It's for the benefit not only of our families, but also of our communities. We need to plank the curve and stop the spread. And the way we do that is to stay home until this crisis has subsided.
And the town of Oakville has just declared a state of emergency as well, in addition to the region and the province.
Exactly. And that's very responsible that our mayor and our region and our province, as well as all provinces and territories across Canada, have taken this step. And so the time to act is now, the time to stay home is now. And the town of Oakville and our region are simply reiterating that very, very important message. we need to keep ourselves safe, and that's the way to do it.
Well, thank you so much for your time here today. We hope to have you on again soon.
Anytime. Take care.